Yummy-licious! Hello and welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. We're making a chocolate almond coffee cake today. And yes, it will actually contain real coffee. Go ahead and mix this and set it aside to cool while we prepare the rest of the batter. And by the way, if you want to see something baked in the rice cooker, please do put it in the comment section below. Whisk together the flour, baking powder, and baking soda. That way your cake will rise evenly. So when using store-bought eggs, be sure to crack each egg into an individual bowl first, just in case there is a bad egg. And how many of you out there had to throw out your batter due to a bad egg? Put it in the comment below and let me know. Beat the eggs and sugar for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar has dissolved. And beat this for about 30 seconds or so to combine it. Now add the chocolate coffee mixture and just beat it for another 30 seconds. If you're new to baking in your rice cooker, welcome. I do have some important tips at the end, so make sure you watch to the end, okay? Sift in half of the flour. And beat it for about 15 seconds or so. Making sure that you do scrape the sides as well. And as a reminder, I do have the full recipe and oven baking instruction in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. There may be last-minute tips in there as well. We don't want to overmix this batter. And this is your batter consistency right here. Now butter the bottom of your pot or pan, and yes, I'm ashamed of my scratch pot. That's why I always put a parchment paper on the bottom. A new inner pot is as expensive as a new rice cooker, so I'll just continue to use this pot for baking only. And make sure you butter the sides, add the chopped almonds, then shake and turn to get the almonds to stick to the bottom and the sides. Try to get any of these loose pieces evenly on the bottom. And now cover it with a paper towel to catch condensation, and let's start baking. Press the cook button and then set a 30-minute timer. And when the timer goes off, press the cook and set another 30-minute timer. One bake cycle is about 5 to 10 minutes in cook status and 20 to 25 minutes in warm status. Oh, the smell of that roasted almonds. The top is firm and no wet batter, just clumps. So we are done. Cool this for 20 to 30 minutes. And if you did make one of my recipes, I would really like to see them. So please send me a picture or short video through email or any of these social media. I have all the links at the bottom of the description box. The roasted almond in this cake smells so good. This cake is soft with just the right amount of chocolate and sugar, and that roasted almond, yummy-licious. Enjoy it plain, or top it with some powdered sugar and some fruits. And you are so awesome for watching my video to the end. Please help my channel by hitting that like button. If you have not subscribed, don't miss any of my new recipes by subscribing. And if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I am Pang, and I do upload a new recipe every Saturday. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. This cake is at a fruit sweetness level.